Think you can't find a move-in ready home in the city of Palm Desert for under $500,000? Well, think again. Today, we're touring a beautifully renovated home in the gated community of Golden Sun Estates. It features 3 bedrooms, 2 fully renovated restrooms. The community has resort-like amenities. This house comes with owned solar, and the best part? It comes with an assumable 4.5% interest rate for qualified buyers. My name's James with LPT. Let's go inside and take a look. So this home is 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,243 square feet. This home is literally the perfect home for the first-time buyer or the small family, especially with that 4.5% assumable interest rate. If you qualify for that, you're gonna be sitting really nice. Now, I can't wait to show you this house. The HOA dues in this community are $180, but you get access to the clubhouse, the pool, the basketball, tennis courts, pickleball, bocce ball, all sorts of stuff. So let's take a tour and see exactly what this home has to offer. So as we enter through the front door, I'm looking straight ahead at the laundry room. So they've got a stackable washer and dryer, but you can see, plenty of room to put it side by side, and there's a little pocket door here. Close that off so you can see. I'd say this is a 7-foot ceiling here in the entryway, but as you can see, vaulted ceilings throughout. But I'm going to show you here first. This is your laundry room. There's no sink or storage. We've got a couple little cabinet or shelves there, but there's room. If you did the side-by-side rather than the stackable, you can totally put cabinets above there, and then here as well, like they did. And then this door here leads to the garage. So obviously, if you were living here, you more than likely would park your car in the 2-car garage and enter through this door. There's a little step down as you come down here. Plenty of room for overhead storage and both cars to fit in here, no problem. You can see that they've got workbenches, tools. That's your door there. That is a door to the side yard there. So they've got it blocked off. Looks like they don't really use that access very much, but plenty of room for 2 cars. You got the automatic garage door opener and some natural light coming in from the garage door. So again, this is your garage door, your laundry area is there. This is your front door. So the front door and the garage door are next to each other. So you're kind of standing in this little foyer area here. And I said these ceilings are about 7 feet tall. So low ceilings in the foyer, but as you walk out to vaulted ceilings, which makes it feel much more spacious. To the right here is your electric fireplace. That's an 86-inch television to give you an idea of how big that wall is. Plenty of room for your TV there. The sitting area behind me. Plenty of room for your couches. You've got tons of space over there. You can see the amount of space between their dining room table, which seats 4, and their couch. So plenty of room for a bigger couch or a sectional. You've got plenty of windows for natural light. Now these windows face east, so you'll get the sunrise there in your living room. And then these windows here and that slider to the patio access faces south. So you've got an open floor plan here. That's the hallway leading to the restroom and the 3 bedrooms. We'll get over there in a minute, but let me show you this kitchen, beautifully remodeled. Nice big oversized island that could easily seat 4 to 5 people there. Dining area here, ceiling fan, and then the kitchen has a ton of storage. White cabinets, stainless steel appliances, very good looking appliances. If you like to cook, this kitchen should check all the boxes for you there. It's got the middle burner there, a hood, tile backsplash, almost all the way up to the ceiling. White cabinets. You can open these here and you can see the spin around to make it easier to get to all of your things. I know those corner cabinets can be kind of tricky sometimes. Stainless steel appliances. You got the microwave built in there. And look at the size of these drawers for all your pots and pans. This is your pull-out trash can here. You've got a sink, window right above the sink, your covered patio. They added these curtains just to show you if you wanted to make it more private, you could put curtains up, you could plant more landscaping around there like that plant there. You can go all the way around, maybe some ficus or something to create privacy because the wall is only about 4 feet tall, but we'll get out there in a second. I want to finish showing you the inside, but plenty of storage space, plenty of workspace, seating space. I mean, you've got this big oversized island for seating here, and then your dining area is right here. They only put a little 4-person table because this is a small family here, but this home is really spacious for 1,243 square feet. That's back to your entry there. And then as you walk down this hallway, to your left, you'll find the first restroom, fully renovated, as I mentioned earlier. You can see tile floors, shower tub combo, and tiled all the way up to the ceiling. Beautiful dual sink, vanity, mirror, beautifully done there. And I forgot to show you, you've got hardwood floors, no carpet, hardwood floors throughout the entire home, from the entry, living room, dining room, kitchen, down the hall, and then of course your restrooms are tile. You've got 2 storage closets here in the hallway. There's the first one there, and the second one for your linens and things. First bedroom to the right, currently being used as an office. Again, you can see the ceilings start to go upward. So these are easily 10-foot ceilings at the highest point, and probably around 8 feet there by the window. So you've got your window, office. Now this room does not have a closet. Second room, same story here, except this one does have a closet. Hardwood floors, mirrored closet doors, nice size. And then across from that is your primary suite. Ceiling fan, again, the vaulted ceilings. So they've got a California king bed here with 2 nightstands and a dresser, so you can have an idea of how much space you have in here. This is the generously sized, it's a mirrored closet, but still a walk-in. It's not your traditional, you open the doors and just stick your clothes in there. But you've got plenty of space there. Sliding door access to the back covered patio. The patio spans the length of the house. And then let's take you in the restroom. Again, we've got the tiled floors. No tub in this restroom, just a shower, but beautifully done, tiled up to the ceiling. You've got the same sort of vanity there. 2 drawers, dual sinks, mirror. You've got a window for natural light as well. And then let's take a look outside. So access to the back, you've got pergola, covered patio, cement that spans the length of the house. So there's your other slider leading to your dining room. And again, you've got about a 4-foot wall here and access to the little breezeway, greenbelt walkway in the back. But this is also your property on the other side of the wall. So you could plant whatever you want back here for privacy. As you can see right into the neighbor's house across the way. So you can plant more landscaping, maybe ficus or something like that. You see these people did grass over here and some citrus trees, palm trees. This is a beautiful community. But they wanted to put some curtains up here just to show you what you could do if you wanted more privacy. So they threw some curtains up there, but tons of outdoor living space here for an outdoor kitchen, patio furniture. So here we are at the slider leading back into the main area, the dining room and the kitchen. So tons of room to do an outdoor kitchen over here, patio furniture, just to enjoy some of these desert views. And then you've got a little gate here that'll take you to the side yard, leading you to the front. So they keep the trash cans on the side of the house. You've got a tile roof. And the Golden Sun community is centrally located. You're right off of Washington on the border of Palm Desert and La Quinta. So you're just a few minutes away from the I-10 freeway. Shopping includes a Ralph's, an Albertsons, Walgreens, CVS Pharmacy. You're just a few minute drive to the Costco in La Quinta, the Walmart, Lowe's, and Home Depot. And you're in the Desert Sands Unified School District with some really good elementary, middle, and high schools nearby. You're close to all of the dining and shopping that La Quinta has to offer as well, including right down the street from the Indian Wells Tennis Garden and the host of the BMP Paribas Open. Whether you're looking for your first home, your forever home, or just enjoy seeing what the Coachella Valley has to offer, you're in the right place. If you'd like to learn more about this home, or you're thinking about making a move, my contact information is in the description below. Share this video with somebody that you know that's looking to relocate to the Coachella Valley, and don't forget to like and subscribe, as every week I drop weekly home tours, share everything that the Coachella Valley has to offer, my favorite places to eat, and of course some hidden gems. Follow me for all things Coachella Valley, and I'll catch you on the next one.